Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Let's see what we can harvest for dinner tonight. I'm in Maryland, the DMV area, Zone 7B. It's 9:30 in the morning and 85 degrees. This has been one interesting summer. If it's not raining, it's hot as heck. The weeds are uncontrollable. With all of the rain, heat, humidity, my poor tomato leaves just don't stand a chance. Just trim them back. We don't want any diseased leaves on these tomato plants. I didn't come out here to clean up. This is not what I was planning on doing. But I see with all the rain, everything is just overgrown. And of course, this is driving me nuts. So I feel like I have to remove it now or it's going to pluck my last nerve. It's a jungle out here. Coleus looks better and better each time. It was just a baby. You were just a little baby. Look at you now. Beautiful. Cucumbers are doing well. See a little baby cucumber there. Lots of flowers that turn into cucumbers. There's the flower and the fruit is right behind it. I see lots of peppers here, so we're going to harvest some peppers. It's loaded with peppers, so we're going to just take a few. I actually want to see. I'm not sure which pepper this is. If you know what this is, let me know. I can't remember what I planted. I said I wanted to keep a few on here so that I can see which color they turn next. I'm definitely going to grab the larger ones. Maybe I should leave one of the larger ones on here so that I can see what color it's going to change to. But this is dinner, so this is enough for dinner. Those beautiful white Shasta daisies sprinkled in. And look at that. The peppers with the white Shasta daisies. And up top, the cranberry crush hibiscus. Just that flow of color and interest. I'm loving it. And then over here, pop of white Shasta daisy, echinacea or coneflower, cranberry crush hibiscus there in the back. I'm going to save seeds this year. I will be sharing some of those dinner plate size cranberry crush seeds this year. All right, so let's get this bowl filled up for dinner. I'm still waiting for this ground cherry. I'm waiting for my first one. It's not golden colored yet, though. Loaded with fruit here. That's gorgeous. You are gorgeous. The okra is looking great. Starting to take off. The smaller tomatoes are doing well, so we'll grab these. The larger ones are taking a longer time, and with it being so hot, they're not going to do anything. Beautiful tomatoes here. Make sure we get those. Oh, let's grab this beautiful eggplant. You want to see that gloss on there. Perfect time to harvest. It's just taking a while for these tomatoes to ripen because it's been so hot out here. It's been waiting on these guys to turn color for some time now. It's been so doggone hot. Oh, finally some color here. Ooh, yuck. Oh no. Ick, 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 ick. Ooh, we don't want that. Yuck. I got tomato goose on my hand. Darn. The one that was turning color. Man. Oh well. This mushroom basket. But in due time, in due time, in due time. Let's grab some sage. Beautiful. Sage is great for memory. Get that out of there. What else are we going to have for dinner tonight? Let's see if there are any cucumbers. Yes, we've got another cucumber here. So let's go ahead and twist, 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 and pull that off. Nice. I'll just pull some of that off. Grab some lemon thyme. That'll be nice. Smells amazing. Some amaranth leaves. We'll take the larger ones. Love lies bleeding amaranth. Take a few of those leaves in. Chop them up really finely. Some carrot tops here. We'll see how it does. Me and corn don't really get along. Let's go ahead and grab this green bell pepper. Okay, I think I'm going to leave this young and tender the way I like it, but I'm going to leave this for maybe tomorrow's dinner. I'll just pick it fresh. Okay, so we've got some tomatoes. We've got a green bell pepper. We have a cucumber, eggplant, fresh lemon thyme, love lies bleeding amaranth, and some sage. So this is today's dinner harvest. be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.